You've just got your Galaxy Fold 7 and you want to put some protection on it. Good idea. We've just done the grip case. I'm going to take this off because now we're going to have a look at the magnetic clear case and the regular clear case. And the main reason is I just want to kind of compare these two together. I think this would be, you know, is this one worth the extra money with the magnetic case? And is the clear case exactly the same? I can see there's some functional differences just on the cover. I think this might be an error on the print, but there seems to be, you know, that dot is in the wrong place on the magnetic case. Unless it is there on the case. Who knows? This also looks like it's got a thicker rim, but we'll compare the two of them together. And let's have a closer look. So this is the magnetic case. Pop that guy open. All of these seem to have the screen protector for the front. So I'm not going to reapply. I did a terrible application of the screen protector from the last case, but it is what it is. We're going to use it. They seem to have two in every single box, which is very cool of them. But there's no case for the front. And I think some people might want that. I like that, and I'll show you why. I also don't think it's necessarily needed. So this is the magnetic case. I think the magnetic case is going to be a big purchase for a lot of people. The main reason is that this has wireless charging, and you have any Qi2 charging devices in and around your house, you're going to want to use that. So this is all the stuff inside here for applying your screen protector. I'm not going to show you how to do that. I've already done a video using that, so you can go check that one out. This is literally purely to check out the back of the clear case and the clear case, the clear magnetic case. So let's get this stuff out of the way. Yep, that's all that stuff. Okay, so it looks like it was a printing error on the box. This one has a more prominent hole. I think it's a little bit thicker because it's got to have the magnet inside. So that is essentially the biggest difference. So let's put the case on. Remember to always use the buttons as a guide. So you put the buttons in so you don't break them depending on whatever case you have. Very easy, clips in straightforward. And it's literally what you expect. It is hard plastic. It's not that soft plastic, which I prefer, but it is hard plastic. The buttons are easily accessible, especially remember the fingerprint unlock is over here. You can see the USB and the microphone are all in the right place. And this cutout is for the flash, obviously. It's doing a job. It's doing a job to protect the cameras. It nearly looks flush. I think it's like 1/10 of a millimeter over the rim of that. Obviously, they don't want to make it too much bigger because you know this issue with your Fold. They don't want to make it too much bigger, but it does mean that when you put it on the table, your cameras are going to be protected unless you put it on like sand or spikes or something. The cameras are going to be there, but it is relatively thin. I like the fact that there's only one back case and not a front case. And the main reason is obviously it would make the phone huge and it's unnecessarily big, but it creates a lip for you to open up the phone way easier than it is without the case. Because I find I'll show people the phone. You get used to opening it up, but you show people the phone and you say, open it up. And then they really struggle to open it. But now with a case, it really does feel good. Feels great. So that's a clear case. It's pretty straightforward. Everything is where it's supposed to be. It opens up smoothly. It's very low profile. It's going to protect your phone from drops this way. It won't protect your phone from drops the other way, obviously, because there is nothing on the screen. But that is what it is. Yeah, even if they put a front one, it would never close. Or at least it would struggle to close because the hinge is so small. All right, let's check out the magnets, the clear magnet case. It's actually really tight on here. Tighter than the grip case. Although they're like the same material. There we go. There we go. Same story. This would probably be my choice because it makes the phone more useful. And as somebody who creates content with their phone, I would prefer to have something that is more practical for that process. So here's the magnet. Let me find something that I can stick on. So here is a newer, MagSafe accessory. It basically connects your phone to something, and yeah, wow, okay, it's strong. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. Even if you had like a wallet on here or something, it would work. You just make sure that when you get your accessories that are taking into account the camera bump, because that camera bump might be in the way. But if you've got something round that just goes over it, that's very cool. So this is nice if you are maybe reading stuff and you want it on a tripod, or if you are, I don't know, a pastor at a church, or need something in front of you, you can do something like that and just keep it on, which is a very cool way to use it. Very impressed with the magnetic case. It is a little bit thicker, definitely. I don't think you'd notice the difference if you didn't have them side by side, but you can see it in the flash. And all the holes are in exactly the right places. Again, I would have liked a softer cover instead of these hard shell ones, but this will do the trick, I guess, to protect your phone. And pity about any form of like protection on the front. But this is cool. I really like the fact that this is so tight. Nice one, Samsung. If I had to choose between these two, definitely the magnetic case. If you guys are thinking about buying one of these and you want to help support the channel, please follow the links in the description. That really does help me out a lot. There are affiliate links. I am reviewing a few other ones. If you want to go check those out on the channel, I'll try to stick these in a playlist to give you some kind of help with that. But until the next video, I hope you really are enjoying your Fold. They are really impressive phones. I'll see you in another one. Cheers.